Hello traders, you're welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. In this channel, we break down the best strategies to help you trade smarter and faster. Now, in this video, we are just going to talk about one of the most effective indicators for scalping, and that is the Relative Strength Index, or the RSI for short. Scalping is all about quick entries and exits, okay? And RSI can help you spot high probability trades in fast moving markets. In this video, I will show you the best RSI settings for scalping, how to identify overbought and oversold levels for quick trades, how to combine RSI with other indicators for better accuracy, a step-by-step RSI scalping strategy with examples. Okay, so if you are serious about improving your scalping game, smash that like button and make sure to subscribe for more trading strategies. Now let's just get into it. Before we dive into the strategy, let's just quickly go over what the RSI, or the Relative Strength Index, is. So the RSI is a momentum indicator that measures the speed and change of price movements. As you can see, it ranges from 0 to 100, and traders mainly focus on these two key levels, 70 and 30. Okay, when the RSI is above 70, the asset is considered overbought, meaning a potential reversal or pullback could happen. Then when the RSI is below 30, it means that the asset is considered oversold, signaling a possible bounce or upward movement. Now, in scalping, we use RSI to catch short-term price reversals and ride quick market moves. But to make it even more powerful, we need to tweak the settings and combine it with the right tools. Okay? Now, the standard RSI settings is 14 period. As you can see, the default setting is 14. Yeah, but for scalping, we need faster signals. So the best settings to use are, the RSI set to 7 or 9. Okay, you can either use 7 or 9. Okay, and then we go to our levels. For our overbought levels, we're going to use 80. And then for our oversold level, we're going to use 20. Okay, this filters out weaker signals and focuses only on strong momentum shifts. Okay, and then finally, you have to use this on the 1 minute or 5 minutes or 15-minute charts, whichever one. Okay, but it has to be either 1 minute or 5 minutes or 15 minutes. It works because this strategy works best on lower time frames. Okay, for scalping. Now, with these settings, you get faster trade signals, okay, for scalping the market. Now, let's just go step by step on how to use RSI for scalping with a simple but effective strategy. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to identify the trend. Okay, it is necessary. I'm currently on the 15-minute time frame. So the first thing you need to do is to identify the trend. First, check the overall market direction. But currently, it seems like we are having a consolidation on the USD CAD chart. Okay, let's just quickly jump to another currency pair. All right, 15-minute chart. Okay, now we are in a downtrend. Okay, the USD JPY, on the USD JPY, you can see that this is a downtrend. So you can actually use the 50 EMA, for example. You can use the moving average to identify your trend direction. So if the price is above the 50 EMA, just focus on buy scalps, okay? But if the price is below the 50 EMA, look for sell scalps, okay? Then you can also look out for RSI signals. Now I'm going to be adding the RSI to the chart again, since this is a trending market. Okay, then you have to watch out for RSI signals. Okay, if the RSI is below 20 in an uptrend, just look for quick buy opportunity. But if it is above 80 in a downtrend, then get ready for a short trade. You can see this was a very good opportunity here, and you can see that the price sold. All right, here again, you can see that happened here again. Now you should always wait for confirmation. Okay, do not trade immediately. Check for a candle rejection, like what we can see happen here. You can see this long wick, this rejection. There should be a rejection from a key level, a small pullback also to confirm the reversal. Then you can also watch out for volume increases, okay, which support the move. Then after that, you can then go ahead to enter your trade. For volume, you can just decide to add your volume indicator, so you can check out for an increase in volume around the part where the price was rejected. Okay, then once you have confirmed your signals, you can enter the trade with a tight stop loss and set your targets based on the recent support or resistance level. All right, then you should exit quickly. Since scalping is all about fast trades. Secure your profits fast and don't hold for too long. Now, RSI is actually a great indicator, but many traders make mistakes when using it. Here is what not to do. The first is trading against the trend. If RSI is oversold in a strong downtrend, it might not bounce. The price could keep dropping. So do not assume that because it is in oversold territory, it must go up. If you are in a downtrend, only look for sell opportunities. That's my recommendations, okay? Then also, do not take every overbought and oversold signal. Sometimes RSI stays overbought or oversold for a long time. That's if the momentum is strong. So always confirm with price action, okay? And finally, it is bad for you not to set a stop loss. Scalping moves fast. A bad trade without a stop loss can wipe out multiple small gains. So always protect your capital. By avoiding these mistakes, you'll increase your accuracy and improve your scalping results. And that's how you use RSI for scalping. When used correctly, RSI can help you spot high probability trades and capitalize on short-term price moves. To recap, use RSI with the right settings. You can use the 7 period or the 9 period for scalping, and then the 80 level for overbought and the 20 level for oversold. Okay, then also always trade in the direction of the trend using a moving average, and then always wait for confirmation before entering a trade. Okay, finally exit quickly and always use a stop loss. All right, if you found this video helpful, hit that like button so more traders can discover this strategy. And if you haven't already, subscribe now for more high-level trading content. Also, drop a comment below. Do you use RSI for scalping? What settings work best for you? Let us talk in the comments, okay? In the meantime, thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.